Fix Limbus Company not loading, stuck on loading screen on Android phones. Number 1, restart your phone, close Limbus Company completely, remove it from recent apps, restart your Android phone, launch the game again, check if the loading screen progresses. Number 2, check your internet connection. Connect to a stable Wi-Fi network. If using mobile data, switch to Wi-Fi, disable VP services temporarily, relaunch the game, test whether the game loads. 3, clear Limbus Company cache. Open Settings, go to Apps, select Limbus Company, tap Storage and Cache. Select Clear Cache, launch the game again. 4, force stop the game. Open Settings, Apps. Select Limbus Company, tap Force Stop, confirm the action, relaunch the game. Update Limbus Company, open the Google Play Store, search for Limbus Company, tap Update if available, wait for the installation to finish, launch the game. Number 6, free up storage space. Open Settings, Storage. Ensure you have several GB of free space. Delete unused apps or files if necessary. Restart the phone, try launching the game again. 7, clear game data. Open Settings. Apps, select Limbus Company, tap Storage and Cache, choose Clear Storage Data, launch the game and log in again. 8, update Android system software. Open Settings, go to System Update, check for updates, install available updates, restart your device. 9, disable battery optimization. Open Settings, go to Apps, Limbus Company, select Battery, set battery usage to unrestricted, relaunch the game. 10, reinstall Limbus Company, uninstall the game, restart your phone, download Limbus Company again from the Play Store. Install the latest version, launch the game. Bonus fix, set your device's date and time to automatic. Open Settings, Date and Time. Enable automatic date and time. Enable automatic time zone. Incorrect time settings can cause loading and server connection issues. These solutions can fix most Limbus Companies stuck on loading screen, infinite loading, and not loading issues on Android phones.